Hello students, this is Neha Rana. So today we are going to start chapter 5 exponent in maths of class 7. So what is exponent? Exponent is a shorthand notation for multiplying the same number by itself several times. So what does it mean? 10 into 10. I can write this in exponential form is 10 raised to the power 2. 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 equals to 10 raised to the power 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the 4-time multiplication of 2. So in exponential form, I can write it 2 raised to the power 4. Clear? So now, in this, all these are exponential form. 10 raised to the power 2. In this exponential form, 10 is base and this 2 is exponent or power. Another example I'm taking here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 10 times. And what will be its exponential form? We can write it in exponential form 10 to the power 10. Here base is 3 and 10 is exponent. Now question is where exponent is used in our daily life. How you can relate this exponent in our daily life. In daily life you can say if you have been asked what is the area of a room. Suppose you have a square shaped room and the dimension of room is length equals to 12 feet and breadth also 12 feet. This is spherical shape room and you have to find the area of the room. Then area of room will be length into breadth or side square because length and breadth of a square are same. So this is 12 by 12 feet square. This is the area of room. This 12 by 12 we can write it as 12 raised to the power 2. Another example in computer you have listened megabyte. What is megabyte? 1 megabyte equals to 10 to the power 6 or 1 million. You have listened in science nanometer. What is nanometer? 1 nanometer equals to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So this is also example of exponential form. This is also exponential form. So exponent is basically used to represent very large number or very short number. Some another example of exponential form is suppose you have been given diameter of earth is 12756,000 and question is you have to show this diameter, you have to convert this into exponential form. So we can write this 12756 multiply 1000 12756 into 10 raised to the power 3 30. So we can write it into 10 to the power 3. But this is not exponential form. Why? Because this is a large number. ये भी exponential form नहीं है standard. ये भी large number है. इसको हमें और short करना है. तो और short करने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे? इधर से आप count करेंगे 1 2 3 and 4. Decimal कितने place पर shift हुआ है? 4 place पर. So we can write this 1.2756 into 10,000. 10,000 ही ऐसे आया क्योंकि हमने इधर से 4 प्लेस पर डेसिमल को शिफ्ट किया है. So this will be 1.2756. We can write this as 10 raised to the power 4 into 10 raised to the power 3. This will be 1.2756 into 10 raised to the power 7. अब ये 7 कैसे आया? Now I will tell you in the laws of exponent. So now how to write a number in, I'm taking here an example 512. You have to represent this into exponential form. So first we will do prime factorization of this number. So count here how many times 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 into 2 into 2. So here 9 times 2. So we can write it in exponential form, 2 raised to the power 9. So 2 is base and 9 is exponent. Clear? So I will take another example to clarify. Represent 81 in exponential form. So first, prime factorization of 81. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. So we can write this as 3 raised to the power 4. This is the exponential form of 81. After this, next topic is laws of exponent. Laws of exponent. What are laws of exponent? First law is, if base are same and two exponential form are in multiplication, then power will be add. A. Here base is same and power is m and n, where m and n are any integer. So in multiplication, if base are same, then power will be add. Same base. I am taking one example here. 6 raised to the power 4 multiply 6 to the power 2. So this will be 6 raised to the power 4 plus 2 equals to 6 to the power 6. Clear? Second law is a to the power m divide a to the power n. If base are same and in division power will be subtracted. That is a raised to the power m minus n. Same base in division. And this was in multiplication. One more example of this. 2 raised to the power 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 2. So this will be 2 raised to the power 3 minus 2. So answer is 2 raised to the power 1. Next is a raised to the power m whole power n. This will be equals to a to the power m into n. This is called power of power. Power of power will be equals to power multiplication. Example, 7 square whole power 3. So this will be equals to 7, 2 into 3 equals to 7 raised to the power 6. Clear? Next is if base are different and power are same, then this will be a into b whole power m. This is power is same. Example, 13 square into 15 square. This will be equals to 13 into 15 power 2. Fifth law is if any number power is 0, then the value will be equals to 1. Suppose this is 100 raised to the power 0, then answer will be 1. 2 raised to the power 0, answer 1. 3 raised to the power 0, value 1. Sixth law is a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m. Same. This will be a upon b whole power m. 5 raised to the power 3 divided by 4 raised to the power 3. So this will be equals to 5 upon 4 whole power 3. Next and last is if a upon b whole power minus m. That means this is negative power. Then this will be equals to reciprocal b upon a, and this power will be converted into positive, so b upon a whole power m. Example is 5 upon 6 whole power minus 2. So this will be 6 upon 5 power plus 2. So these were the laws of exponent. I am again repeating. First law was a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n will be equals to a raised to the power m plus n. If base are same in multiplication, the power will be add. I have already given you example. Second is a raised to the power m divided by a raised to the power n. In divide, the power will be subtracted. Third one is base are different but power is same. So this will be a into b whole power m. Same here, base are different but power is सेम. सो कॉमन पावर आएगी दोनों में. ए रेज टू द पावर 0 इक्वल्स टू 1. किसी भी नंबर की अगर पावर 0 है देन द आंसर विल बी 1. ए रेज टू द पावर m होल पावर n, दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू ए रेज टू द पावर m इंटू n. दिस इज कॉल्ड पावर ऑफ पावर. a upon b whole power minus m, so the multiplicative inverse of this will be reciprocal b upon a and then power will be changed into positive. So now where we can use exponent for expanding some number, we can also use expanded form. So what is expanded form? One, 2, 5, 6, 7. This is any number and you have to write the expanded form of this number. So this will be, what is the place value of 1 here? Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So this will be 1 into 10,000 plus 2 into place value of 2 is 1000. So this will be 2 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 6 into 10 plus 7 into 1. So we can write this 10,000 as 1 into 10 raised to the power 4 plus 2 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 5 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 1 plus 7 into this is 1. So we can write as 10 raised to the power 0, because if power of any number is 0 then the resultant answer is 1. So this is 10 raised to the power 0 means 1. So this is 7 into 10 raised to the power 0. This is the expanded form of this number. Another example is 370185. We have to write the expanded form. So this will be 3 into 10 raised to the power 5 plus 7 into 10 raised to the power 4. This is 0, so no need to write. 1 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 8 into 10 raised to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 raised to the power 0. Clear everyone? So our next topic is standard form. What is standard form? When we write a very large number into small form, then this is called standard form. Large number कैसा देखो, जैसे कि this is 600,000. This is very large number and we want to write this in short form or small form. So we can write this as 6 into 100,000. So how many 0? 5 0. So we can write this as in exponential form 6 into 10 to the power 5. One more example. 215,000. So standard form of this number will be, we can write this as 215 into 0 0 0. बट दिस इज नॉट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. अभी 215 भी बड़ा नंबर है ना, लार्ज नंबर है. इसको हम और भी छोटा कर सकते हैं. किस तरह से? इसको अगर यहाँ मैं पॉइंट इसको लेके चलूँ, ये शिफ्ट होगा इधर 1 एंड 2 प्लेस पर शिफ्ट हो रहा है. तो दैट मीन्स 2.15 हम इसको लिख सकते हैं. तो दिस विल बी 2.15 इंटू 100 इंटू this is 1000. So we can write this as 2.15 into 1 2 3 4 5 10 raised to the power 5. So this is the standard form of this number. One more example I am taking for standard form, that is 217632000. This is a very large number and we have to write this also in standard form. So first we will write as 2176320 into 1000. बट दिस इज नॉट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. अभी ये भी हमें बहुत लार्ज लग रहा है तो इसको भी हम और शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर मैं यहाँ डेसिमल लेके चलूँ तो 1 2 3 4 एंड 5. तो डेसिमल हमारा कितने प्लेस पर शिफ्ट हुआ है? 5 प्लेस पर शिफ्ट हुआ है. सो आई कैन राइट दिस एज 2.17632. 5 प्लेस पर शिफ्ट हुआ है, दैट मीन्स 1 2 3 4 5 0. एंड ये ऑलरेडी है, इसको हम लिखेंगे 1 0 0 0. सो दिस will be 2.17632 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 5. In laws of exponent, I have told you that if base are same, then power will be at. So this will be 2.17632 into 10 raised to the power 5 plus 5, 10. I hope you all have understand. Now you can easily solve the exercise questions. For any query, you can send me message in the group. So thank you, students.